Good day, I'm Carleen Brown-Thompson and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, July 10. Construction has now started on a cardiac wing at the Bustamante Hospital for Children and is expected to be completed by early 2014. The new wing is being built under a public-private partnership agreement involving the Ministry of Health, Southeast Regional Health Authority (SERA), Chain of Hope UK, Digicel Jamaica and Sagicor Investments Limited. Other partners are Gift of Life District 7020, the Caribbean Heart Menders, Congenital Heart Institute of Florida and the Rotary Club of Downtown Kingston. The cardiac wing will serve children between the ages of 0 to 12 years old. It will be fitted with a modern biplane catheterization laboratory, 10 intensive care unit beds, operating theatre and equipment, as well as support facilities. Board Chairman for SERA, Littleton Shirley, says the new facility will significantly decrease the number of children on the waiting list for surgery. Jamaica is to partner with CUBA for the transfer of knowledge and technology to facilitate the local manufacture and assembly of cost-effective photovoltaic light panels. Energy Minister Philip Paulwell made the announcement at a street lighting ceremony in Manchester recently. He said the Rural Electrification Program, REP, would be playing a significant role in the process.
They are going to work to transfer the knowledge, the technology, and so the REP will become the government agency that is going to seek to establish the manufacturing and assembling of solar photovoltaic panel in Jamaica, the first Caribbean country to achieve that.
The Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation, KSAC, will continue its drive to rid the corporate area of illegal billboards and signs that have been erected without the corporation's approval. Mayor of Kingston, Senator Angela Brown-Burke, says the corporation continues to pursue several long outstanding cases.
In short order, we will move to the next phase of our program, which entails the removal of signs for which persons have been given adequate notice and have failed to comply with the requirements.
She's encouraging persons to regularize their signs and billboards to avoid the penalties. The KSAC commenced its drive to remove illegal billboards and signs in February this year. The Ministry of Tourism and Entertainment is looking to maximize the economic potential of the country's culinary product. Tourism Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil says the island's culinary offerings are definitely a part of the country's strength as a unique destination. A partnership is being forged with the private sector to further enhance the industry. On Sunday, Jamaica's premier beer company, Red Stripe, hosted a graduation ceremony for more than 100 persons who participated in its bartender and service industry course.
A partnership for progress, a partnership that will allow community businesses to thrive, you the graduates to maximize your business acumen, while at the same time allowing Red Stripe to achieve its purpose of celebrating and enriching Jamaica and inspiring the world.
And finally, as of today, Jamaicans have only 5 more days before the ban on smoking in public spaces takes effect. The Health Ministry began the final 6-day countdown to the new regulation Tuesday, symbolically marking the fact that someone dies every 6 seconds from a tobacco smoking-related illness. Over 6 million persons die annually from the effects of tobacco smoke, with 600,000 of them having never smoked, but were victims of second-hand smoke. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson announced the ban as a means of protecting public health. Some of the places where smoking will be banned come July 15, 2013 include all enclosed places, public transportation, workplaces, government-owned and occupied buildings, and health facilities including pharmacies. The ban also applies to sports, athletics and recreational facilities for use by the public, educational institutions, areas specifically for use by children, and places of collective use such as bus stops. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Carleen Brown-Thompson. Thanks for watching.